Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix hanging problem in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open settings and here you have to search about phone. Click on MIUI version and here you have to update. If there is a update of your system, then you have to update this. You can see there is a hyper OS update. You have to just update this and it will fix your hanging problem also. And press back. You have to see their system apps updater. You have to click on it, and if there is a installer update package or any update showing, you have to update this and delete unused app or unwanted apps in your phones that are not usable. Just click on it and delete that app. Then you have to simply click on security and here are cleaner and boost speed. Click on that and it will stop running third party apps, running system apps. You can see there are 6 apps here. Just click on boost speed and it will affect the performance of your phone and you will see a good experience in it. Press back, click on cleaner, and as a step do it again. Click on clean up like this, and this will help you to fix your hanging problem in your Redmi 13c mobile phone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.